Holistic vision recovery, top 15 pitfalls to avoid. Hi, I'm Sviatoslav and today I'm here to talk about the common pitfalls people encounter when trying to improve their vision naturally. The hidden dangers of overdoing eye exercises. A closer look. These mistakes can often slow down progress and prevent the improvement of your eyesight. Let's dive into what you need to avoid to ensure your journey towards a better vision is successful. Mistake 1. Overdoing power eye exercises. Many start their vision improvement journey with intense exercises, like moving their eyes in every direction forcefully. This approach can increase eye muscle tension rather than alleviate it. Remember, the key is gentle stretching and starting with relaxation. Not putting additional strain on already stressed eye muscles. Mistake 2. Not removing eyeglasses or lenses when you don't need them. Wearing glasses or contact lenses continuously can hinder your progress. They're designed to compensate for your vision issue, not to solve them. If you are serious about improving your eyesight naturally, minimize the use to encourage your eyes to adjust and strengthen on their own. Mistake 3. Continuing to use night lenses. Night lenses can be particularly obstructive to natural vision improvement. They prevent your eyes from experiencing the natural relaxation and adjustment they need. Better to use eyeglasses when necessary and ensure they're removed as soon as they are needed. Mistake 4. Exercising with eyeglasses or performing eye exercises with glasses on defeats the purpose of these eye exercises. To truly benefit, ensure you do them without any visual aids, allowing your eyes to work and stretch naturally. Natural vision improvement with Eyesight Academy. With a focus on proven techniques and specific eye exercises, you can enhance your sight naturally. A link in the description. Mistake 5. Stopping exercises after initial improvement. It's thrilling to see any improvement in your vision, but quitting your exercises too soon can lead to regression. Vision improvement is a gradual process that involves stretching the eyes and forming new healthy visual habits. Mistake 6. Setting a rigid timeline for improvement. Vision improvement doesn't adhere to a strict schedule. Setting a fixed deadline can lead to disappointment and disillusionment. Focus on the process and celebrate small victories without burdening yourself with unrealistic expectations. Mistake 7. Searching for magic pills. There are no quick fix or magic solution for improving eyesight naturally. Relying on drops or pills can lead to wasted time and resources. The real magic lies in consistency, practice, and adapting a holistic approach to eye health. Mistake 8. Relying solely on supplements. While certain supplements can support eye health, relying solely on them without addressing other lifestyle factors and eye exercises is a mistake. A balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables is also crucial. Mistake 9. Looking for the best exercise. Focusing on finding a singular miracles eye exercise is a common trap. Improvement comes from a balanced, complex approach that includes relaxation techniques, tailored eye exercises for specific condition, and a comprehensive understanding of your visual system needs. Mistake 10. Neglecting overall health. Eyesight is closely linked to general health. Ignoring aspects like diet, exercise, and sleep can adversely affect vision. Nutrient deficiencies, lack of physical activities, and poor sleep patterns can all contribute to deteriorating eyesight. Mistake 11. Inconsistent routine. Consistency is the key in any holistic approach. A sporadic approach to eyesight enhancement, exercises, and habits can limit the effectiveness. Mistake 12. Not customizing your approach. What works for one person may not work for another. It's important to tailor your specific holistic eyesight enhancement plan to fit your specific needs and lifestyle. Always start from 1 or 2 eye exercises with 1 repetition and eye relaxation before and after eye exercises. Mistake 13. Inconsistent routine. Consistency is the key in any holistic regimen. A sporadic approach to eyesight enhancement, exercises, and habits can limit the effectiveness. Mistake 14. Lack of patience. Expecting immediate results can lead to frustration and abandonment of holistic practices. Vision improvement is a gradual process that required patience and persistency. Mistake 15. Not enjoying the process. Lastly, not finding joy in the journey towards better eyesight can slow the process. Incorporate enjoyable activities that also benefit your eyes, like spending time in nature, walking by the waterfront, or getting a break from screens. Getting a nap to rest your eyes. Wrapping up. Improving your vision naturally is achievable by avoiding this common mistake. Focus on gentle exercises, proper relaxation, and a balanced approach, rather than seeking quick fixes or pushing your eyes too hard. Remember, it's about making sustainable changes to your visual habits and lifestyle. Subscribe to the channel for more insights and guidance on natural vision improvement. If you found this information helpful, hit the like button and feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.